What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a new video for you today. It is a 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. It's all black. It's one of the nicest trucks you can go buy from the dealership right now. We're gonna do some upgrades on it. Currently, he has a he's got a set of 35 12 50 20 Toyo Open Country RT Trails on there, which is a really good all-terrain tire. It's the same tire we're gonna be going back with today, but we're doing 37s because we are doing a 4-inch McGaughys lift kit. We're going to be doing that, and we're going to be doing suspension max torsion keys alongside the McGaughys lift. It's going to make a perfect ride height, perfect ride for this truck. It's going to be great. Looks like it already has the mud flap deletes on it, so I'm going to get I'm going to flip the camera around and show you the truck. He drove all the way from Alabama to be here today, so I appreciate the business. All right, so here's our beautiful truck, a 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. I love everything about this truck. All the trim matches up perfectly. There's a little bit of Vader chrome in the front, but nothing crazy. Got the black trim around the outside. I think it looks really nice. He has a brand new set of 35 12 50 20 RT Trails on here. I think we're going to try to buy these from him, but said he's got 50 miles on them and it just wasn't what he wanted. So we're doing the McGaughys kit, 37s, suspension max keys. This one will be great. Stay tuned for the process. We're about to put it in the shop right now. So we have our 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate ready to go. Customer's name is Scott. He's about to head back to Chattanooga, Tennessee right now. The truck looks phenomenal. We did the 4-inch McGaughys lift kit with 37 12 50 20 Toyo Open Country RT Trails. We're also doing some RT Trails on his other vehicle too. And I want to say I appreciate that. It's not going to be in the video, but big shout out to the customer for driving this far. It's crazy to me still that you guys do this. He's really cool. He bought us lunch today and everything, so big thank you for that. I'm about to get out of the truck and show you about to get out of the truck and show you what it looks like. So here's our final product, 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. Truck turned out amazing. It's an all-black truck. He has the color match fender flares on it with the LED side marker lights already. Windows are tinted. That's a big plus. The interior of the Denali Ultimate super, super nice. It's that brown leather, like the equivalent of a King Ranch Ford interior. I love it. Looks really, really nice. The Denali Ultimate comes with these badges right here on there. It looks really cool. Really, really plush seats. All your fanciest stuff on the dash. Big screen, everything's good. The truck looks really, really good. I drive this one every day. Comes factory with power steps. That's really cool. We did the 4-inch McGaughys lift kit. Here's the cross member. You have amazing angles on this lift. It's better than stock. That is like 0 degrees. It's perfect. Truck rides really, really soft and smooth like that because the M84 McGaughys shock here is great. They make it in-house. It is specifically tuned for 2500 GM trucks. The only big difference between a McGaughys kit and a Cognito kit in this particular situation is that the McGaughys kit does not widen your track width. So when you look down the side of the truck, you'll notice that there's no difference front to rear. The Cognito widens the front track width about 1/2 of an inch, which is not a big problem. It doesn't look really ugly, but it opens up a lot of clearance. So if you're trying to run a wider tire like a 1350, you can do that on the Cognito kit, and you cannot do that on the McGaughys kit. That's just the only difference. Really not a big fan of running spacers on these trucks, so that's really why I'm talking about the two differences there. So let me know what you think in the comments about this truck. I really like the way it turned out. That 37 12 50 20 Toyo Open Country RT Trail is going to be amazing on here and ride quiet and smooth, last for a long time. I'm going to put a quote right after this clip so you guys can see what this job costs. If you want to reach out for any information, the number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. Thanks for watching. And he's got a ton of work done to the motor too, for whatever reason, but actually I'll show it to you. Might as well. We got nothing but time, right? I don't even know what I'm looking at, but he told me that the truck had 600 plus horsepower and it was really fast. And I also did notice the oil pan on this truck is blue. Crazy. There's got to be a reason. Anyway, thanks for watching the channel, guys. See you next time.